being right all the time.
In the relentless struggle for survival between predator and prey, size and strength often tip the scales in favor of the fittest. Nature's battlefield is unforgiving, where only the strongest endure. Whether it's raw power, unmatched stealth, incredible speed, or the mastery of flight, some animals possess abilities that set them apart from all others. Join us as we explore the animal kingdom and show you the strongest animals in the world. Number 18. Crocodile. The crocodile reigns as a titan of strength in the animal kingdom. Evolved over millions of years, this prehistoric predator embodies raw power. Its muscular body, armored with tough scales, houses a set of jaws that deliver one of nature's most formidable bites. The crocodile's incredible force and endurance have cemented its place as an apex predator in its habitat. The saltwater crocodile, the largest of all crocodile species, has a bite force of up to 3,700 pounds per square inch psi. That's the highest bite force of any animal on the planet. To put that into perspective, a human's bite force is around 100 psi, so a crocodile's bite is about 25 times stronger than ours. But it gets even crazier. Some studies have suggested that the Nile crocodile, another massive species, could have a bite force of up to 5,000 psi. That's like having a small car sitting on top of you, all concentrated into a single bite. So, what makes a crocodile's bite so powerful? It all comes down to their unique jaw structure and muscles. Crocodiles have incredibly strong jaw muscles that are attached to a long, narrow snout. This allows them to generate an enormous amount of force when they snap their jaws shut. They also have sharp, conical teeth that are perfect for piercing and gripping their prey. Number 17. Eagles. Eagles command respect in the avian world, embodying nature's perfect aerial predator. These regal birds combine grace and strength, ruling the skies with unmatched prowess. Equipped with razor-sharp talons, hooked beaks, and eyesight 8 times sharper than humans, eagles are precision hunters designed for airborne dominance. Eagles have some of the sharpest vision in the animal kingdom, with the ability to spot a rabbit from over 2 miles away. That's like being able to read a newspaper from the other end of a football field. Their eyes are also incredibly large relative to their head size, giving them a wide field of view and excellent depth perception. But it's not just their eyesight that makes eagles so formidable. They also have incredibly strong feet and talons, which they use to snatch up their prey with lightning speed. The bald eagle, one of the most iconic eagle species, has a grip strength of around 400 psi. That's 10 times stronger than the average human hand. This allows them to lift prey that weighs up to 4 times their own body weight, which is an incredible feat of strength. Eagles also have large, hooked beaks that are perfect for tearing into their prey. These beaks are so strong they can easily crush the bones of small mammals and birds. And if that wasn't enough, eagles are also incredibly fast flyers. The golden eagle, another well-known species, can reach speeds of up to 150 miles per hour when diving for prey. That's faster than most cars on the highway. Number 16. Great white shark. The great white shark is a true ocean heavyweight, striking fear into the hearts of swimmers and surfers worldwide. But there's more to this incredible creature than just its terrifying reputation. With its sleek, streamlined body and powerful tail, the great white is built for speed and agility, allowing it to chase down even the swiftest of prey. At up to 20 feet long and weighing as much as 5,500 pounds, the great white is the largest predatory fish on the planet. But it's not just size that makes this shark so formidable. It's also equipped with an arsenal of deadly weapons. Its massive jaws are lined with up to 300 razor-sharp triangular teeth, each with serrated edges that can slice through flesh and bone like a hot knife through butter. And when it comes to hunting, great whites are masters of stealth and surprise. Thanks to its keen sense of smell, it can detect a single drop of blood in 25 gallons of water, allowing it to hone in on wounded or distressed prey from miles away. Once it's locked onto a target, the great white attacks with lightning speed, lunging from below and using its powerful jaws to crush its victim in a single, devastating bite. Number 15. Lion. The lion is often called the king of the jungle, And for good reason. These incredible animals are some of the most powerful and iconic predators on the planet. With their majestic manes, powerful bodies, and fearsome roar, lions have captured the imaginations of people for centuries, and they continue to be one of the most widely recognized and revered animals in the world today. Male lions can weigh up to 550 pounds and stand up to 4 feet tall at the shoulder, making them one of the largest and most muscular cats in the world. And thanks to their powerful jaws and sharp claws, they are more than capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves, including wildebeest, zebra, and even buffalo. But the lion's true power comes from its incredible social structure. Unlike many other big cats, which tend to be solitary animals, lions live and hunt in highly organized social groups called prides. These prides are typically made up of several females and their cubs, along with one or more adult males who help to protect and defend the group. And it's this social structure that makes lions such effective hunters. When a pride works together to take down prey, they are able to bring down animals that would be impossible for a single lion to catch on its own. Number 14. Killer whale. The killer whale, also known as the orca, is a true ocean superstar, beloved by many for its striking black and white coloration and playful antics at marine parks. But behind that friendly facade lies one of the most fearsome predators on the planet. A highly intelligent and incredibly powerful hunter that can take down prey as large as a great white shark. At up to 32 feet long and weighing as much as 11 tons, the killer whale is the largest member of the dolphin family. But it's not just size that sets this incredible creature apart. It's also one of the smartest animals on Earth, with a brain that's almost 4 times larger than a human's. This intelligence, combined with the killer whale's complex social structure and sophisticated hunting techniques, makes it one of the most successful predators in the ocean. Unlike many other ocean predators, which rely on speed and strength to catch their prey, killer whales are master strategists. They work together in highly coordinated groups, using a variety of clever tactics to herd and trap their prey. But perhaps the most remarkable thing about killer whales is their ability to take down prey that's seemingly out of their league. In recent years, scientists have documented numerous cases of killer whales attacking and killing great white sharks, a feat that was once thought impossible. By working together in groups and using their superior intelligence and coordination, killer whales are able to outmaneuver and overpower even the most fearsome of ocean predators. Number 13. Anacondas. Anacondas are some of the largest and most formidable predators in the world, and they have a well-deserved reputation as one of the most fearsome creatures in the Amazon rainforest. The green anaconda, the largest of the anaconda species, can grow up to a staggering 30 feet in length and weigh over 500 pounds. That's about as long as a school bus and as heavy as a large motorcycle. And it's not just their length that's impressive. Anacondas also have incredibly muscular bodies that are built for strength and power. But how do anacondas use this incredible strength? The answer is simple. They use it to crush their prey. Anacondas are constrictor snakes, which means that they don't have venom like some other snakes. Instead, they use their powerful muscles to wrap around their prey and squeeze it until it suffocates. The process of constriction is incredibly effective, and it allows anacondas to take down prey that is much larger than themselves. They have been known to eat animals as large as deer, capybaras, and even jaguars, all of which are much larger and heavier than the snake itself. To give you an idea of just how powerful an anaconda's constriction can be, consider this. The pressure exerted by an anaconda's coils can be up to 90 psi. That's about the same amount of pressure as having a fully grown African elephant standing on your chest. It's no wonder that once an anaconda has wrapped itself around its prey, there is almost no chance of escape. Number 12. Tiger. Tigers are the ultimate big cats. They're powerful, fierce, and absolutely stunning to behold. As the largest members of the cat family, tigers are built for hunting and dominating their prey. With their muscular bodies, sharp claws, and powerful jaws, tigers are capable of taking down animals that are much larger than themselves. One of the most impressive things about tigers is their size. An adult Siberian tiger, the largest of the tiger subspecies, can measure up to 7.6 feet in length and weigh a whopping 675 pounds. That's about as heavy as a small horse. And it's not just their weight that's impressive. Tigers also have incredibly muscular bodies that are built for strength and power. But it's not just their size that makes tigers so formidable, it's also their teeth. Tigers have 30 teeth in total, including 4 massive canine teeth that can reach up to 4 inches in length. These canines are designed for piercing and tearing through flesh, making tigers incredibly efficient hunters. In fact, tigers are among the animal kingdom's most successful predators. They are known to hunt a wide variety of prey, including deer, wild boar, and even other large predators like leopards and bears. And when a tiger sets its sights on its prey, there's almost no chance of escape. Tigers can run at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour and leap distances of over 30 feet in a single bound. Number 11. African bush elephant. The African bush elephant, Earth's largest land mammal, embodies raw strength and an awe-inspiring presence. With its massive frame and powerful trunk, the elephant shapes the very landscape it inhabits, leaving an indelible mark on Africa's wild heart. An adult male African bush elephant can stand up to 13 feet tall at the shoulder and weigh a staggering 7 tons. That's about as heavy as 3 or 4 cars put together. And it's not just their weight that's impressive. Their bodies are also incredibly muscular and powerful. In fact, African bush elephants are so strong that they can easily uproot trees and push over small buildings. Their trunk alone contains over 40,000 individual muscles, allowing them to lift objects weighing up to 440 pounds. That's like lifting a full-grown lion with just your nose. But the elephant's true strength lies in its ability to carry heavy loads long distances. These animals are capable of carrying up to 9 tons on their backs. That's more than most trucks can haul. This incredible strength comes from their massive leg bones and muscles, which are some of the largest in the animal kingdom. African bush elephants also have an impressive set of tusks, which they use for digging, foraging, and self-defense. These tusks can grow up to 8.2 feet long and weigh over 100 pounds each. Number 10. Gorilla. The mighty gorilla, the largest living primate, possesses a level of power that is simply awe-inspiring. An adult male can stand up to 6 feet tall and weigh over 400 pounds. That's about as heavy as a large motorcycle. And it's not just their weight that's impressive. Gorillas also have incredibly muscular bodies, with arms that are longer and stronger than those of any human. But just how strong are gorillas compared to humans? The answer is incredibly strong. In fact, it's estimated that a gorilla is anywhere from 4 to 9 times stronger than the average human male. This means that a gorilla could easily lift and throw a grown man like a rag doll. Part of the gorilla's strength comes from its unique anatomy. Their arms are longer and more muscular than their legs, allowing them to walk on their knuckles and swing from tree to tree with ease. They also have a larger and more developed sagittal crest, a bony ridge on the top of their skull that anchors their massive jaw muscles. Speaking of jaws, gorillas also have incredibly powerful bites. An adult male silverback gorilla has a bite force of around 13 psi. That's about twice as strong as a lion's bite. This allows them to easily crush tough vegetation and crunch through the hard shells of nuts and seeds. Number 9. Grizzly bear. Grizzly bears are the most iconic and feared animals in North America, and for good reason. They are incredibly strong, fast, and powerful, and they have a well-deserved reputation as one of the most formidable creatures in the wilderness. An adult male grizzly bear can stand up to 8 feet tall on its hind legs and weigh over 1,000 pounds. That's about as heavy as a small car. And it's not just their weight that's impressive. Grizzly bears also have incredibly muscular bodies that are built for strength and power, with massive shoulders, powerful legs, and razor-sharp claws. But how strong are grizzlies compared to other animals? The answer is incredibly strong. In fact, it's estimated that a grizzly bear has the strength of 6 men and can easily lift and carry objects that weigh over 500 pounds. This incredible strength comes from their massive muscles, which are some of the largest and most powerful in the animal kingdom. But grizzly bears aren't just strong, they're also incredibly fast and agile. Despite their size, They can run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, which is faster than most humans can run. They are also excellent swimmers and climbers, and they have been known to chase down and catch salmon in fast-moving rivers. When it comes to hunting, grizzlies are among the world's most fearsome predators. They have an incredibly powerful bite, with a bite force of over 1,200 psi. That's strong enough to crush a bowling ball. They also have razor-sharp claws that can grow up to 4 inches long, which they use to dig for food, defend themselves, and take down their prey. Number 8. Hippopotamus. Don't let their cute and cuddly appearance fool you. Hippos are one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. These massive, water-loving mammals may look like gentle giants, but they pack a serious punch when it comes to their bite force. A hippo's jaw can exert a staggering 1,800 pounds of force per square inch, which is like having a small car sitting on your chest. But it's not just their bite that's impressive. Hippos are also incredibly large animals. They can weigh anywhere from 3,000 to 4,000 pounds, which is about as heavy as a pickup truck. Hippos can open their jaws at a whopping 180-degree angle, which is wide enough to fit a whole watermelon inside. Despite their size, hippos are surprisingly agile in the water. They spend most of their day submerged in rivers and lakes, using their webbed feet to propel themselves through the water. But don't be fooled. Hippos are also excellent runners on land, capable of reaching speeds of up to 19 miles per hour. Hippos are extremely territorial animals that will fiercely defend their space against any perceived threat. They have been known to attack boats, vehicles, and even humans who get too close to their territory. In fact, hippos are responsible for more human fatalities in Africa than any other large animal, with an estimated 500 people killed by hippos each year. Number 7. Leafcutter ant. They may be small, but leafcutter ants are one of the strongest creatures on the planet. These tiny insects, which measure just 0.82 inches in length, are capable of carrying objects that are a staggering 50 times heavier than their own body weight. To put that into perspective, that's like a human being able to lift a fully grown African elephant. But how do these tiny ants manage to carry such massive loads? The answer lies in their incredibly powerful jaws. Leafcutter ants have mandibles that are designed for cutting and carrying leaves, which they use to feed their fungus gardens back in their nests. These jaws are so strong that they can vibrate at an astonishing rate of 1,000 times per second, allowing the ants to slice through even the toughest leaves with ease. But it's not just their jaws that make leafcutter ants so strong, it's also their teamwork. These ants live in massive colonies that can contain millions of individuals, all working together to maintain their fungus gardens and protect their nests. Each ant has a specific role to play, from the smallest workers who tend to the fungus to the larger soldiers who defend the colony from predators. Number 6. Komodo Dragon. The Komodo dragon is a true wonder of the animal kingdom. A massive, venomous lizard that looks like something straight out of a prehistoric nightmare. Growing up to 10 feet in length and weighing as much as 360 pounds, these incredible reptiles are the largest living lizards on Earth, and they have a reputation for being one of the most fearsome predators in their native habitats. Komodo dragons have a muscular, stocky build that allows them to take down prey much larger than themselves, including deer, pigs, and even water buffalo. And with their sharp claws, powerful jaws, and venomous bite, they are more than capable of taking on even the most formidable opponents. In fact, the Komodo dragon's bite is one of the most potent weapons in the animal kingdom. These lizards have a pair of venom glands in their lower jaw that deliver a toxic cocktail of proteins and peptides into their prey, causing severe pain, bleeding, and even paralysis. And because their venom is so effective at immobilizing their prey, Komodo dragons are able to take down animals that would otherwise be too large or too fast for them to catch. But the Komodo dragon's power doesn't just come from its venom, it also comes from its incredible hunting skills. These lizards are ambush predators, meaning that they will often lie in wait for their prey to come within striking distance before launching a lightning-fast attack. Thanks to their keen sense of smell and excellent vision, they are able to detect potential prey from miles away, even in dense jungle habitats. Now it's time for today's subscriber pick. Hippos are renowned for their raw strength and massive size, while lions are apex predators with keen hunting instincts and a powerful bite. But what would happen if these two formidable creatures faced off? It would undoubtedly be a close and fierce battle, as this image depicts a clash between these two beasts. Surprisingly, it appears that the hippo might be gaining the upper hand, with the lion on the verge of being crushed by its jaws. What do you think? Lion or hippo? Who could emerge as the ultimate victor? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Number 5. Gray wolf. The gray wolf is one of the most iconic and widely recognized predators on the planet. A powerful, intelligent, and highly social animal that has captured the imaginations of people for centuries. With their piercing eyes, powerful jaws, and incredible hunting skills, wolves are truly a force to be reckoned with in the wild. Gray wolves are incredibly intelligent and adaptable. They are able to thrive in a wide range of habitats, from the frozen tundra of the Arctic to the dense forests of North America and Europe. Thanks to their keen senses and powerful bodies, they are able to take down prey much larger than themselves, including deer, elk, and even moose. But perhaps the most impressive thing about gray wolves is their incredible social structure. Unlike many other large predators, which tend to be solitary animals, wolves live and hunt in highly organized packs, with each individual playing a specific role in the group. And it's this social structure that makes them such formidable hunters. Number 4. Dung beetle. When you think of the strongest animals on the planet, the dung beetle probably isn't the first creature that comes to mind. After all, these tiny insects are best known for their rather unsavory habit of rolling around animal poop. But as it turns out, the dung beetle is a true powerhouse, capable of pulling off some of the most amazing feats of strength in the animal kingdom. In fact, when it comes to sheer pulling power, the dung beetle is the undisputed champion. A recent study found that the Onthophagus taurus, a species of dung beetle native to Europe and Asia, could pull a whopping 1,100 times its own body weight. To put that in perspective, that's like a single human being able to drag 6 fully loaded double-decker buses. So what's the secret to the dung beetle's incredible strength? It all comes down to its unique body structure and musculature. Dung beetles have a highly specialized exoskeleton that's designed for maximum strength and durability, with thick, reinforced plates that can withstand incredible amounts of force. They also have an incredibly efficient muscle system, with a higher proportion of muscle mass relative to their body size than almost any other animal on Earth. Number 3. Jaguar. The jaguar may not be the biggest cat on the block, but when it comes to raw power and hunting prowess, this sleek and stealthy predator is tough to beat. Found throughout the forests and grasslands of the Americas, the jaguar is a true force of nature, with a muscular build, keen senses, and lightning-fast reflexes that make it one of the most formidable predators in the world. At first glance, the jaguar may look similar to its leopard and cheetah cousins, with its distinctive spotted coat and lithe, agile frame. But make no mistake, this is a cat that's built for power, not just speed. Male jaguars can weigh up to 250 pounds, with heavily muscled forequarters and massive, bone-crushing jaws that can generate up to 2,000 pounds of force in a single bite. In fact, the jaguar's bite is the most powerful of any big cat, capable of piercing the thick hides of crocodiles and crushing the shells of turtles and tortoises like they were made of paper. This incredible strength, combined with the jaguar's stealthy hunting style and lightning-fast reflexes, makes it one of the most successful predators in the Americas, able to take down prey as large as deer and tapirs with ease. Number 2. Goliath Grouper. If you're a fan of big, beefy fish with a serious attitude problem, then the Goliath Grouper is the creature for you. Found throughout the warm waters of the Atlantic Ocean, from Florida to Brazil, this massive sea beast is one of the largest and most powerful bony fish in the world, with a thick, muscular body, a huge head, and a set of jaws that could crush a small car. Growing up to 9 feet long and weighing as much as 800 pounds, the Goliath Grouper is a true giant of the deep. But it's not just size that makes this fish so impressive. It's also got an insatiable appetite and a fearless attitude that allows it to take on prey much larger than itself. In fact, The Goliath Grouper is known to eat just about anything it can fit into its massive mouth, from crabs and lobsters to octopuses and even small sharks. To hunt its prey, the Goliath Grouper relies on a combination of brute strength and clever tactics. It's an ambush predator, lying in wait for unsuspecting prey to swim by before lunging out and engulfing them in its huge, gaping jaws. And once it's got hold of its victim, the Goliath Grouper uses its incredible power to crush and tear it apart, swallowing it down in big, meaty chunks. Number 1. Oxen. The ox, a gentle giant of the farmyard, harbors strength that belies its placid demeanor. This unsung hero of agriculture possesses a muscular build and unwavering stamina that have made it an indispensable partner to humans for millennia. While it may not roar like a lion or charge like a rhino, the ox's quiet power is a force to be reckoned with. Oxen are a larger and stronger breed of cattle that have been used by humans for thousands of years. They're often referred to as beasts of burden because of their ability to carry heavy loads and plow fields for long periods of time. But how strong are these unassuming animals? For starters, oxen are massive. They can grow up to 7.5 feet long and weigh over 1,400 pounds. That's more than most cars. Despite their size, they're incredibly muscular and powerful. A single ox can pull a load up to 1,700 pounds, which is almost a ton. That's like pulling a small car behind you all day long. But it's not just their raw strength that makes oxen so impressive. They're also incredibly enduring and hardworking. Oxen can work for hours on end without getting tired, thanks to their unique physiology. They have a large heart and lungs, which allow them to take in more oxygen and pump more blood to their muscles. This gives them the stamina to plow fields, haul heavy loads, and travel long distances without needing frequent breaks. Oxen are also known for their calm and steady temperament. Unlike other livestock, like horses or mules, oxen are less likely to spook or become agitated in stressful situations. This makes them easier to handle and train, which is why they've been used for so long in agriculture and transportation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.